Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off phone calls on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Traditionally, there is no way you can turn off phone call on your iPhone except if you choose to turn on offline mode or use focus mode. With offline mode, you'll not be able to have access to the network at all and no call will come onto your iPhone. However, if you want to be able to receive messages or notifications from other applications aside the phone app, then this is what you need to do. Swipe at the control center, locate the focus mode, and then click on it. Now you want to select DND, which is do not disturb. So maybe for 1 hour, or you want to select it until this evening, or until you leave a particular location. Or better still, click on the settings to go ahead and set up your DND. That is do not disturb. So just maybe add a schedule, select options. You can show missed calls on lock screen. You can hide notifications, and then you can select people. And here, make sure you select allow calls from, and then set this to maybe favorite only, contact only, or everybody. But since you want to block calls for a particular period, set this to allow people only. Now you can now come here and delete everyone you have here so that no one will be able to call you once you have the DND turned on. And then turn on focus. Select do not disturb. And then you are good. So pending this time, no one will be able to call you on your iPhone. And once you are done, don't not forget to turn off DND. So that is basically how to turn off phone calls on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.